Hi guys, this is Sammy. I don't just cook to impress, I cook to live to eat. Today we are here at my battleground. This is my spear and this is my shield. This is how I survive here. A couple of weeks ago, I got a chance to read all the review for Google review for my restaurant. And then I don't really, concern about all the bad review and then good review. I understand some people have a very bad experience at the restaurant, but everyone have a bad days. We can't rewind the service and the food quality. And it's sometimes people write down something is untrue. A couple of weeks ago, I found somebody told me, oh, this fried rice full of MSG. I don't put any MSG, so I feel like I have to show my fried rice. Not only because of bad review, also my fried rice is very simple. Everyone can easy to cook quickly. Actually, we're serving this recipe at the restaurant at Diana. Mr. Lim Mosman, Mr. Lim in orange. Let's get started. Let's talk about the ingredient. I got a chopped ginger, chopped garlic, beautiful shiitake mushroom, give you a little natural umami flavor. And then I got a red onion, and then I have about 4 eggs, and then shallot. And then I've just finished cooking my rice. Today I'm gonna use jasmine rice. For Northern Asia like Japan, Korea, North China, we like to use short grain and the sticky rice. But when I came to Australia, it seems like a lot of people, consuming huge amount of jasmine rice. Sometimes Korean doesn't like the smell of jasmine rice because it's quite different what we normally eat the rice. But I think as you stay here longer and you expose all this jasmine rice, I think you're getting like this rice. And then also jasmine rice more fluffy, more lighter. Okay, so shiitake mushroom, I'm gonna chop. My fried rice, we're using a lot of egg. It can be very eggy. So I want to try to balance out with the garlic and ginger and then a lot of spring onion. I'm just remove at the head part. We can use different cooking. Okay, I'm gonna crack the egg. So I have about 4 eggs. We're not gonna make egg scramble, so you don't have to beat it that much. We got still, you can see the white part and the yellow part. We got very simple ingredient here, and then I needed salt and sesame oil and the soy sauce. That's it. I just want to explain just before we go to the wok, because wok cooking can be very fast. So first, we're going to add decent amount of the oil into the wok, and we only put 1 time into the wok. After that, we just adding all together without any oil. It can be a little bit technique to make sure you don't have a too greasy fried rice. And then we're going to put pinch of ginger, pinch of garlic, shiitake mushroom, red onion, probably a handful of this spring onion, seasoned with the salt. And then after that, we're gonna combine all together. I've been watching people, Western people, or like a lot of Asian people, they cooking, fried rice with the leftover rice. But you imagine, your leftover rice going to the fridge, and then the texture going to be very hard. By the time you're cooking, trying to make, the rice get back to the warm, you need to cook a lot of time. So I'm always thinking decent fried rice, you need just cook fresh steamed rice. That's my philosophy for this fried rice. Let's get started. Wok's on. Don't freaking out, okay? We only put 1 time oil. I got peanut oil, but if you have a peanut oil allergy, you can use vegetable oil. Decent amount. My tip for the frying egg, just don't overcook. And a pinch of salt, season. Okay, that's good enough. I'm gonna add shiitake mushroom, shallot, handful of ginger, and garlic. Just release all the flavor on the fan. See, I didn't put any extra oil for this. I'm gonna add rice and egg. Just breaking egg as much as you can. After 1 minute, I'm gonna add maybe 2 handfuls of shallot again. I'm gonna add some sesame oil and maybe a teaspoon of soy sauce. Now we have very simple egg fried rice here. Smells good. I'm gonna add spring onion on the top. Now you have a very simple fried rice here. You look at this, a lot of eggs here. The reason I keep this simple, this fried rice, our restaurant main dishes can be quite a savory, spicy. So you need, when you eat the fried rice, have a lot of vegetable, a lot of meat and stuff. It doesn't really go well. So I always try to make something simple, go with your main dishes cut well. So here we are. This is our fried rice. You can try this at your home. Very simple. I can do it, you can do it. I've been cooking this fried rice. I think I have a little very touch moment because I've been cooking last how many years fried rice. But looks like very beautiful today. The egg color's right. I have a little shiitake mushroom. Mushrooms actually save, I told you. And then the color of the rice cooked well. The little bit of the purple color from onion. I think it's a good fried rice. And again, I didn't put any MSG. Don't post any lying stuff, okay? I put the salt while cooking egg, and then all the vegetables are salt, all the rice are salt. I adding 3 salt. Last minute, I put extra saltiness flavor from soy sauce, and it combined very, very well. It tastes very good. And it's not eggy at all. We put decent amount of spring onion. Today we made a fried rice. I hope you try it at home. Please don't forget like and subscribe. I don't just cook to impress. Today maybe I'll try to make impress, but I cook to live to eat.